Ciao a tutti, I'm Elisa and this is Living Color, a journey to discover who you truly are. Do you want to know what your friends think about you and how you can use this information for your own personal growth? Well, watch this video till the end. First, I want to be clear on what this video is not. This is not a how to read your friend's mind video. This is a very useful 3-step exercise that changed my own life that I'm happy to share with you. Step 1. Ask. I challenge you to ask your friends what they think about you. Well, not exactly the question. I would like you to ask your friend to list to you what are the qualities, the impression, what they think about you, what are in their mind your main characteristic. They can be caring, courageous, proactive, whatever they think about you. Step 2. Grouping. Once you collect all the qualities from your friends, you divide them into groups. One group will be the commonalities, the same or similar qualities repeated by multiple friends. And the other group will be the differences, a quality that only that friends told you. Third step, use. What I learned from the commonalities was to explore my own uncomfortable zone. The quality my friend mentioned the most about me was to be independent. Being independent is something that I value and I definitely identify myself with. My uncomfortable zone is the opposite of being independent. To depend on others, to ask for help and support, and this is very hard for me, but this is also the area where I can grow the most. The different qualities I received were analytical, maternal, and grounded. I was a little bit confused about this quality because even though I recognize myself in these qualities, they were not really what I was identified with. But there was something not about me, but there was something about them. Analytical, maternal, and grounded were what I was thinking about them. So I learned through experience that my friend see me through their own qualities, and as well that I see them through my own qualities. And trust me, this is a very powerful learning, and you can learn with this exercise by experience. If you want to know what your friends think about you, ask them. Don't read their mind. If you're willing to know more about yourself and your friends, do this exercise. I'm curious to know your experience. And don't forget to live in color.